pictures?
Of course, of course, of course.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you, thank you. Yeah. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Salamat, chef. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Nakakahiyamang gulo doon. Cut mo na yan, pre.
Ay, wow! Pre, ano kaya ito? Na-excite ako dito, ah. Pre, apron! Kinikilabutan ako, pre, oh.
Dito na ako magtatrabaho, pre. Thank you. This is my day one. Reporting for duty. Chef. Yes. Reporting for duty, chef. Hoy. No, no. I quit. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for this. Thank you. Ay, baby. Tara. Naiwan yung bata. Nice to meet you po. Nice to meet you. Salamat po. Salamat.
I'm Aldrin from the Smaris Cavite.
Aldrin. Ano to, Aldrin?
Seaweed butter with lemon.
Seaweed butter with lemon. Sorry, di ko na hinubad yung apron ko. Seaweed butter with lemon.
Kasi hindi pa tapos trabaho mo, ba't kumakain? Oo nga, bakit bastos ka?
Break.
Anong break?
Break ko.
Objective mo, sir, dito.
Sarap. May lemon zest, saka may lemon siya. Sinapay, malambot. Sarap.
Ito nagluto yan?
Yes. I did. And it's very good, yes.
Ba't laging may yes?
Positive na tao ako eh. Positive na tao kaysa no, di ba? Break ko sa trabaho bilang chef dito sa Gordon Ramsay Bar and Grill.
Kanina ka pa break eh. Grabe yung break mo. Ano, break mo 3 oras?
Break ko kaya leg mo.
Ay, wag naman, chef.
Okay, so nagdadatingan na po sila. So isa-isahin na natin yan. Ian, may ginagawa sila.
Oo, sukit.
Ian, ano yan?